Hello, Herman here from Circuits of the Past. I show you a lap, the new Zandvoort circuit, my home circuit. I drove here many laps, thousands of laps in the good old 90s. Now I show you the renewed track for the Formula 1. The pit entry, the pit exit has been changed. In the old days it was before the first corner. You have to stay right on the line. Yeah, it's much wider here than in the 90s. Oh, this corner is much changed. They make the banked corner, the Hugenholzbocht, Hugenholz corner in English. Oh, this is much different. Okay, in the 90s we turned right here to the short so-called interim circuit. It's all gone now. We are now since 1999 we have the longer circuit. Here on the right chicane. I will show that in another lap. In the most famous corner, Schijfvlak. Only Dutch people can say that. This is the corner of Zandvoort. In English Zandvoort, I say, we in the Netherlands say Zandvoort. Well, this is the original part. Here comes the new part. This left kink is a remain of the original circuit. It was the beginning of the so-called Hondenvlak, a very fast left-right. Later in 1980 replaced by a chicane. Now we go to the new section. Since 1999. I have pictures that we built this at the end of 1998. Check the website www.circuitsofthepast.com. There you can see them. Okay, you see the work on the circuit, so I may not drive fast. This corner is from 1989. It's one of the new corners of the short interim circuit. Then the Nissan corner, now it's the Hans Ernst chicane. They also changed this for Formula 1. Oops, I should not go over the curb zones. It causes rotation in the camera. Check. Okay, it's just... This is the corner you make speed for the straight, but they warned me there could be traffic on the straight, so I have to be very slow there. This is the other banked corner. I will take you outside. I love banked corners. Cool. Okay, have to be careful. Free. Now we do a lap without talking. Now I show you the runoff. The last time I was here it was gravel. Now it's asphalt. Once with the racing cars I drove here into the gravel, and I braked much too late in the rain, very heavy rain.